So what's up my people, it's your boy looking here once again with another video. So today's video, as you guys can know, is another version video of hamster hamster combat code most. So today we are going to solve the equation. So you guys know what you normally do in this video. So what you have to do is to watch this video attentively and see how it's going to go. So first, tell me what is your profit power, because that is one big important thing we are actually chasing according to the hamster team. But don't burn all your coin. Try your best to increase your profit power and also have reserve coin, so that you will not lose in any way when they will list the rest of the things which will accompany the profit per hour. So without saying much, let's dive into today's Morse code, because you guys knows this video is not supposed to be long. So today's Morse code is going to be born like burning something. So let's start it. It's going to be first hash triple tap, that is B. So the second one is double tap hash, which is yo. The third one is tap hash. I'm sorry, I've spelled it. So let's start again. Hash triple tap B, double tap hash yo. R is this like that. So let me start again. Let me start fresh. Sorry for the mistake. You know, this kind of thing normally makes mistakes. So let me calm down. Hash triple tap is B. Double tap hash is U. Tap hash tap is R. And the last one is hash tap, that is N. So the code is cracked as you guys expected, and then if you click on take the prize, it's going to reward us with 1 million coin for the day. So this is it. Go ahead and solve your own before the countdown is done. Remember, my name still remains King, and I'm always here to bring out these updates to you guys and other updates, other mining projects. So if you like what I'm doing on this channel, don't forget to drop a like, so that other people is going to see the video. Because the more you like the video and the more you share it, maybe you drop a like or you share it, people are going to get the information and get it. You guys know we don't have anything to lose here in helping a friend. So try our best to help a friend by dropping a like and also helping my channel and improve motivating me more to make more videos. So without wasting much time, see you guys in my next video. Bye.